Hey you guys, how are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to yet another video. So in today's video, I'm so excited to show you this. A lot of people have actually been wanting to get a glowing skin. They've been wanting to lighten up their skin. They've been wanting to have their skin looking flawless, and most importantly, brighten up your skin. You guys, when I say brighten up and lighten up, I do not mean bleaching or whitening and stuff. No, what I mean is that as we go along in life, in our daily hustle and bustle, we tend to be exposed to dust and all of that, and then we tend to be exposed to sun, and the sun tends to kill some of the cells on our skin, and as they die, they actually hang in there on our skin. And if you do not actually get rid of it, it will actually make you look darker than how you were. Okay, so that is what I mean by brightening up. Okay, it's going to help you to remove those dead skin cells, reveal a more brighter, a more vibrant, and a more lighter skin, and you're gonna be happy. So if you've actually been wasting money, spending money buying creams and all of that, one thing I need you to do is that you should try this drink first, and then you can go ahead to buy your cream and your lotions and all of that and give it a try. Okay, so but before that, do not go buy, just drink this. So watch the video to the very end so you could see all of the amazing ingredients that will help you to revive your skin, that will help you to keep your skin flawless and brighter. Okay, so let me take you right into this video. Hey guys, what's up everyone? You're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video, guys. Now in today's video, I'm going to help you to actually replace all of those expensive lightening cream that you actually used to buy, to using this natural homemade remedy. Okay, so we're going to be adding a few more ingredients to this, but do not worry, the ingredients are actually something you can actually get. It's very easy. Okay, but I'm going to be telling you which one is optional, which one you can actually skip. Okay, now if you're aiming to lighten up your skin, it is not basically bleaching. This particular one helps you lighten up your skin from within. Okay, and it also helps to glow and nourish up your skin. So the very first ingredient which we're going to be needing, let us first of all use the cucumber. Okay guys, so I have some half cut of cucumber here. Let's actually make use of that. Okay, let's make good use of all of that. Okay, so after which you've cut that, then you would have to put that into this blender. So in here I'm going to be adding just a little water, since we're going to be making a juice out of this. And then after that, then would have to blend this. Okay guys, so after that is done, so here is my cucumber juice, and I would love to sieve it into this bowl. Now if you cultivate the habit of taking cucumber juice, you're actually not going to be looking old, because this is an anti-aging drink. The percentage water in cucumber is so much that it's going to help to, you know, flush out any toxins in your body, and it's going to help to retain moisture onto your skin basically. So you're not going to be looking old, because your skin is always going to be looking moisturized. So what I'm gonna do is just sieving it out. Okay, so I'm actually gonna be keeping my cucumber juice aside. Then the very next ingredients we're going to be making use of is gonna be orange. Now you guys know that orange is one great vitamin C remedy. It contains a whole lot of vitamin C that helps to nourish up the skin and keep the skin rejuvenated. It keeps the skin moisturized, and it also helps to lighten up the skin. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna extract the juice from this orange. So you have to extract as much orange as you can, much orange as you possibly can, guys. Alright guys, so after squeezing that out, I'm going to be putting my orange juice in there, watermelon juice, cucumber juice, sorry, and then also the very next ingredient you're going to be needing is lemon. Now for this particular lemon, you're not going to be needing too much. You're going to be needing just a little bit of lemon, okay? Just a little piece of lemon. You don't necessarily need to put too much. Obviously you don't, it's not a fat reduction drink, okay? So just a little will go a long way. And after that you would stir it. Okay, so the very last ingredient which we're going to be needing is this, and this is honey. Okay guys, so this is actually optional, guys, okay? This is basically just to sweeten the taste of this my drink, yeah. So I'm going to be putting just 1 tablespoon of honey, and if you're actually using honey, guys, make sure you use organic honey, okay? It's going to take me a little while for this honey to dissolve. Yeah, this is it. Alright guys, so this is my drink. Okay guys, so this is my drink, okay? So for this particular drink, you'd have to make it and you have to store it for for as long as possible. Basically, you're going to be putting it into your refrigerator, and then you are going to be enjoying this drink a whole lot. Okay, so this drink is going to help to brighten up your skin, it's going to help to glow your skin, and it's going to help to leave your skin youthful and very much beautiful. Okay, so this is it, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, so I'm gonna be having a take of it because I want my skin to continually look beautiful. Wow, this is so nice. Mm. Tastes great, tastes amazing, it tastes loving, it tastes everything is in this taste. Like, go give this a try, you know, to brighten up your skin and to make your skin look glowing, look young, look beautiful, and look amazing. Okay, so that's it. Drink this every morning for a youthful, beautiful, radiant, and wrinkle-free skin. So you can make this in a large quantity, store it into your jug, refrigerate it, and then you continually enjoy your juice. Beautiful, and it's simple to make. All of the ingredients are actually very reachable, right? So that's it, guys. Go give this a go and be consistent in taking it. It is very healthy. So that's it, you guys. That is an amazing drink. The drink is healthy, the drink is natural, the drink is so delicious, and of course the drink is very effective. Okay, so it's something that you need to try. All right, and you're going to be loving it because it's gonna be very effective. It's gonna glow your skin, it's gonna make your skin look beautiful, and it's going to really make your skin stay healthy. Okay, so that's it, you guys. I'm gonna see you again in my next video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share the video, and bye.